Welcome back to my video, and in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install the VMware Workstation Pro 17. Now, after the acquisition of VMware by Broadcom has made the VMware Workstation Pro 17 for personal use as free edition. So that's a good news, and I will show you in this video how to download that and how to basically install and start using the VMware Workstation. So first of all, you go to the Broadcom website. Just type in Google VMware Workstation kind of stuff just to get to the main page. I will show you. Yeah, once you are here, and okay, once you are here, click on this one, download and license VMware desktop hypervisor, whatever. Go to this link here. Basically you should go to the products. And go to support portal, and then uh even I mean either you have to register or go to portal. Now if you have not registered till now, registration is free. You can register using your personal email ID. You can just click here and start registration. Now I am already registered, so I'll go and go click on go to the portal. Registration is like this: you type your email address and then a captcha, and then follow the next prompts, provide the details, and that's all. Okay, seems that has taken the password, so I'll just log in. Never, and then I'll do it later. Once you have done it, come back here and then log in with the same credentials. So I will do it with mine. Okay, and then authenticate with the password. Okay, so now I'm here. Go to the software drop down, go to VMware Cloud Foundation, click here and click on my downloads. Once you're here, from my downloads, on the top right hand side you have an option for search by product name. So just uh, search the workstation, hit enter. So you would find this VMware Workstation Pro link. Click on that, and you can see multiple options here. Now you can go for the Workstation Pro 17 personal use window, and I'll click the latest version, and then I would have a I agree checkbox somewhere here. Yeah, I agree. Click on that and click this cloud download thing, and verification per proceed. Here you will have to enter certain details, so extra details like uh, the address, something like this. You just enter, right? Yeah, and the postal. Okay, then submit. Great. Once that is done, again click on the download button and this download should start now. And I think, yeah, this download has started, and this is around 600 MB, so we'll wait for this to download, right? And then we can go ahead and install this. So I'll just fast forward this video. Okay, so it has been downloaded, so I can go to my downloads. Basically here I'm already there. Go into the folder and I should see this is there. So I'll double click on this, say yes to install. Okay, and click on next. I accept. Next. And next. Don't want to join and don't want to check, and then next, next, install. Okay, so that's all you have to do for the wizard. Now we'll wait for the application to be installed to on the system basically. So I've seen a lot of people not able to download this because the old link is not working, and yeah, people don't know how to basically download these setup, right? So let's wait for the virtual network drivers to be installed. Now you should see, just make sure, go here and say run this, and you should see couple of VM nets being created here. Okay, the yes, so you can see this one. If this is not happening, then you have to basically go in the virtual network edit. I'll show you. So once you install this, right, you should see couple of virtual these adapters being created here, vmnet 1, 8 and finish. Okay, so these two are created here, so that's good. Now you can run the Workstation Pro here. Nice. You can use this for the personal use. Click on this and finish. Okay, and then finish. Nice, right? So see, so you can use this for your personal use. Finally, now you can go here, you can edit and go to virtual network editor. In case you don't see those what do you say, uh, adapters here, right? You don't see those adapters here, you have to come to this and click on change settings, and then basically do a reset. Okay, do a reset of the restore defaults of network adapter. Okay, you can do it like this, so that all these adapters are removed and installed reinstalled again. Okay, so make sure, in case you face any connectivity issues also, this will solve your issue. And let's wait for the VMnets to be installed back again. And if you want to add more, you can add from here as well. Always you can come here and add the VMnet adapters here. Okay, you can add a network here, say VMnet2, add, done. VMnet3 you can add like this, and also you can define the DHCP subnet range here. Now you can enable and disable DHCP also for that particular VMnet, but that's okay. Click apply and then okay. As you can see, now I have basically 1 2 3 VMnets and then you have VMnet 0 and VMnet 8. VMnet 0 is basically for the bridge one. So yeah, okay, so that's great. Let's close this.